Hey, it's Anissa bringing you my new favorite item. It's called the Clean Reach. Now, you might have seen this on TV. In fact, let's take a look at the commercial.
Scrubbing a bathtub is back-breaking work. So many spots are impossible to reach. And cleaning chemicals really stink. Now, there's Clean Reach, the revolutionary new scrubbing brush with the easy reach handle. No more bending or kneeling, just easy touch-free cleaning from floor to ceiling. It couldn't be easier. Simply reach and clean. The secret is the special ergonomic handle that extends to make every corner of your bathroom easy to reach, while the specially designed grime-grabbing cleaning pad angles into the tightest corners. Watch, scrub every surface, corner, and inch from a single position without bending, so you finish fast and never miss spots. Wow, what a difference!
Now, I love this, and I've been using it, and I've used it all over. What I really love is you don't get one, you actually get 3 reversible pads in this special offer, and you're gonna pay a lot less than the TV price. So head on over to PulseTV and grab your Clean Reach today.